very happy and cheerful morning to all my shining stars. How are you all? All are good? So, ready for a class? Yes? Okay. So, welcome to your English phonics class. Welcome to your English phonics class. What are we going to do today? Nowadays, we are learning about sound of E. Yes, we are making three-letter words by the use of two-letter word family. Yes, तो अब तक हमने कौन से two-letter word family का use करके three-letter words बनाया है? Yes, up till now we have made egg. We use egg family. Yes, then egg family. Yes, two-letter word family. Egg family and then egg family. In last class we made three-letter words by the use of EG, egg family. Yes. So now then L family. Yes. हमने L two-letter word family का use करके भी three-letter words बनाए हैं. Okay. So now today we are going to learn three-letter words made by the use of N. N two-letter word family. Yes. So here we all can see so many words. Yes. So what we have to do here? How can we pronounce this two-letter word? E N. Yes. What is the phonic sound of E? N. E N. And what is the phonic sound of letter N? Yes. So if we join it will become N. Yes. So how can we pronounce this two-letter word family? We can pronounce this two-letter word family as N. N. Yes. So now if we join letter D in this two-letter word family N, so it will become, what is the phonic sound of letter D? D. N. D. N. So it will become den. Yes, it will become den. So how can we pronounce this three-letter word? This three-letter word will be pronounced as den. Den. Then what is the meaning of den? Yes, gufa. Yes. Lion lives in den. Yes. So जो lion होते हैं उसका जो घर होता है उसे den बोलते हैं. So DEN, den. Then next one is MEN. If we join letter M with this two-letter word family N, so it will become, what is the phonic sound of letter M? My tummy is full. So and man. Yes. So we can pronounce this three-letter word as men. Yes. So only one man will be there. So we will say M-A-N. And so many men will be there. Okay. So many men will be there means 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 men will be there. Then we will write as M-E-N. Okay. This is the plural word for the M-A-N, men. M-E-N is the plural form of the M-A-N, men. Okay. एक से ज़्यादा आदमी होंगे तो उसके लिए हम M-E-N, men लिखेंगे. Okay. We will not write men's. Okay. We will say M-E-N, men. Okay. So M-E-N, men. Then next one. If we join letter P with this two-letter word family N, then it will make pen. It will make pen. Yes. So pen. Yes. How can we write? We all use pen for writing. So P-E-N, pen. Then H-E-N. If we join letter H with this two-letter word family N, then it will make hen. Because what is the phonic sound of letter H? H. Yes. So hen. Okay. So what is hen? Yes. Kukreku. Yes. So hen. H for hen. 10. Yes. So what is 10? One of the number. 1 0 10. 1 0 10. Yes. So how can we pronounce this TEN? TENS 10. TENS 10. So what we learned here? Yes, we made 3-letter words by the use of EN family. Yes. Now we will see how can we make 3-letter words by the use of ET family. Yes, at 2-letter word family. Now we will make 3-letter words by the use of at family. Okay. Yes. Here we all can see some words with objects. Yes. So first one is, if we join letter N, with this 2-letter word family, at. We will pronounce this 2-letter word family as at. Yes. And if we join letter N with this 2-letter word family at, it will become net. Because what is the phonic sound of letter N? Yes. So at net. Yes. Where can we find net? For fishing. Yes, we use net for fishing. Yes. Okay. So NET net. Then if we join letter J with this 2-letter word family at, then it will become J at jet. Yes, jet plane, jet airplane. Yes. Okay, so Jet, jet. Yes. Then next one is WET. If we join letter W with this 2-letter word family at, it will become, what is the phonic sound of letter W? W, yes, W, so wet. Yes, wet means, what is the meaning of wet? गीला. Yes, here we all can see this girl is wet. पानी हम पे गिरता है तो हम क्या हो जाते हैं? We got wet. हम गीले हो जाते हैं. Yes, okay. So wet. Now next one is, if we join letter V. With this 2-letter word family at. Yes. Then what is the phonic sound of letter V? Yes, daddy, when. So at wet. Yes, wet. So what is the meaning of wet here? Yes, doctor of animal. Yes, doctor of animal. जो पशु चिकित्सक होते हैं ना, यस, जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनके जो डॉक्टर होते हैं उनको जो ट्रीट करते हैं, यस, उसे वेट बोलते हैं. VET वेट. यस, WAT वेट और VET वेट. यस, इसको हम कैसे बोलेंगे? व्हाट इज द फोनिक साउंड ऑफ W? व. यस, व बोलेंगे, व. एंड this is so here we have one difference. Okay, yes, so wet, इसे हम wet बोलेंगे and we will pronounce this 3-letter word as wet. Yes, so like this we have to pronounce this 3-letter word. Yes. Now last one is, if we join letter P with this 2-letter word family at, so it will become pet. Yes. What is the phonic sound of letter P? P. So it will become pet. Yes. What is pet? Yes. Dog, cat. We all can keep this animal as a pet in our home also. Okay. So pet क्या होता है? पालतू, जिसको हमने पाला हुआ हो, जिसका हम टेक केयर कर रहे होते हैं. So that is pet. Yes. So this is dog, cat, horse, all are pet. Yes. So PET pet. Yes. So my dear students, we all have to keep three-letter words by the use of and two-letter word family and by the use of egg two-letter word family. So we have to keep practice of all these three-letter words. All these words are given in your book also, phonics book. Okay, so we will try to read these words and we will try to pronounce this word correctly. Understood, my dear students? Yes. So now we will meet in our next class. Till then, keep practicing, keep smiling. Bye bye.